Hi everyone. Bet you didn't expect to see this back again. I showed it to my husband and he was a little disappointed that when he turned the page there wasn't anything over here. He just was expecting something on this side of the page. And so I thought, well, maybe I should do that. I did go through, if it looks a little different to the youth than the last time you saw it, I did go through and put a binding across the tabs like here, just because I wasn't particularly fond of what the tabs looked like. Thought that was a little much. So we're going to do the back sides of all of these pages. So I guess I have another project because we've only done one side. If you don't know about my dot journal journey, I will link the playlist at the end of the video so you can click on those and continue on. I think what I'm going to do, I don't think I want to do the this part, the stitching with the dots like I did on this side. I think I'm going to do something different. So what I think I'm going to do is I am going to draw something on this page, and then when you flip the book, whatever is here on this page will spill out onto this page in a different way. How I'm going to do that, I don't know. But we're going to start with the, that needs to be cut off. I don't care if they shred a little bit. I just don't want the long strings. We're going to start with the first page. As you open the journal, that's what the first one looks like. And then when we flip that over, see, it's just kind of plain. We're going to just start with this page, and I'm going to like continue what I see through this hole. I'm going to turn this way so I can prop up the book because it's going to flip and get in my way as I draw. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this. Do I have any binder clips in here? I don't think I do. Well, no, I should. I didn't think about this as I didn't think about this. Where did my binder clips go? I know I have them. There they are. Let me use a binder clip and hook the rest of the binder together so that it doesn't flop down on me. That's better. So if I just put a binder clip on it, then it kind of stands on its own. See? Like that. And now I can work on this page without it like coming at me. We're going to try that. Let's zoom back in. And I think I'm just going to continue whatever that pattern is back there that's already on the paper. And we are going to we're just going to see where that leads me. I want something that comes out here. Something that comes out here. Something that's here. A little bit there. 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 Something that comes out here. Here. So I think this is going to be a dot. And I think this is going to be a shape that comes this way. I'm just playing with the shapes that are already there, and I'm not thinking. I'm not doing a particular pattern. And now I'm just going to take this inspiration where I've already started and just play with it. Let's do some more orb-like shapes over here, because that seems to be what we've got happening here. Kind of looks like grapes of some sort. Okay, let's turn it. It's hard to draw on the book that's already completed. You guys are not going to see if I do that. Let's try this way. Can you guys see that way? Yeah, you guys can see that way. Okay. I like those kind of arms. That. Let's do another leaf-like shape there. We're going to do another leaf-like shape here. And I have another orb shape there, so we're going to do some more of these round ones here. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. I did move my microphone away from my face. I apologize for that. Can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see. Okay, I like that. I think I want to stick with the color scheme I had before, which was this kind of a burnt orange red. We're going to use this one, Castle Arts Indian Red, and this kind of a dusty blue. Do I have a pencil that's that color? Maybe this one, light indigo. And then I had two colors of green, a kind of a olivey green, maybe this one, oxide of chrome. Oop, that one got a broken tip. And then maybe a kind of a bluey kind of a green that's a little bit darker. This one may be Hooker's green. Let's try that. Okay, let's sharpen these puppies. Let's see what colors they end up being. Come on, sharpen. This is riveting television, I know. Okay, and then I'm going to use one of these, which was one of the holes that I cut out previously, as my tester for my colors. That's a good one. Yep, that's good. Yep. And that one's a little dark. I think I need a little lighter. It's in the right family, so this was number 54. Maybe I should go to 55. Yeah. Okay. All right. Pick my color scheme. And I'm actually going to color this page, I think. Did I have any other colors? Did I add a color? I don't remember. Green, blue, no, just the red. I used a brown pen, so maybe I could also have a brown in my color scheme as I color. Let's use this sepia, I think. Let's try that. Yeah, that goes well. Okay. There we go. All right, so what am I going to do? I'm going to do this green. Because I do want a little bit of color on these pages, because on the other side they do have color. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Maybe. That, and then I think I'm going to do blue in my orbs. Leaving some of that tan as like a highlight. Just kind of giving myself a warm up for today. And we'll try to figure out what we're going to do on the other pages. I have no idea. Can you see over there? I think you can. I'm just going to shade with the same pencil. I'm just going to go really light in some areas and a little darker in others as a shading technique. Just like that. Just like that, I think I'm done. But see, it goes with that, but it's not the same as that. I think that looks good. And I think that's kind of what I'm going to do on all the pages as I go forward. I will put a tangle here. I'll put a tangle here. And then when I flip this over, I will expand whatever's in this circle into here. I think that's what I'll do. All right. Whatever I end up with is what I end up with. I won't even know until I do it. But this is going to be fun. It's going to roll into the rest of September. And then starting October, I do believe I'm going to do Inktober by doing one every single day in October. So it'll roll this into October, but then it won't go the whole month of October. I think that's the best way to do that. And yeah, you guys have a great day. And I will see you guys on the next video. I'm going to hold this up just like this so you guys get a good picture for a thumbnail. Some days will be more intricate than others. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but you know what? We're just going to play. There's nothing wrong with play. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.